After 50, it's easy to feel as if the world has quietly moved on without you. The children are busy. Work may have changed. Friendship may have shifted. And suddenly you wonder, where do I fit in now? But please hear this. You are not finished. You are not invisible. And you are certainly not useless. Your life experience still matters. Your wisdom still matters. Your presence still matters. Sometimes you are exactly the person a community needs. Follow Thrive for honest, practical encouragement for life after 50.